Alright boys, today let's try to complete this FMX line in Slayground, so let's get to it. First attempt. And I'm not gonna lie, this took way too long. Come on, no. Nosedive. Not gonna make it. No. Bruh. What? Ain't no way. Ah. Bruh. Come on. Easy. Backflip. Heck yeah, dude. Butter. Alright, slow and steady here. Nice. Go, 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 go. Alright. Yo, we got this. We got this. Come on, let's lock in. Let's not mess those jump. Alright, come on. Easy. You know vibes. Shit. Okay, okay. Oh!